let me show you how to generate a pop-up trigger code right inside of Claude. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a pop-up trigger code right inside of Claude AI. That way we don't have to jump into our Jotform website to actually generate it inside of here. We can do it right inside of Claude. So let's go ahead and jump over here. Now be aware that to use this system inside of Claude, we do have to be connected to Jotform in the customize section, in the connectors, and connect to Jotform. So just go ahead and search for that connector and make the connection. That way we can just go ahead and chat with Claude and generate our pop-up trigger code. Now the first thing I'm going to do is list the forms that I have available in my Jotform account. So let me go ahead and ask that right now. Here we go, sending this off, and I'm asking it to list the available forms inside of Jotform. So it's going to jump into Jotform, it's going to analyze the request, and it's going to list the forms that I have available here. So let's give this a few seconds. Here we go, we now have a list of the available forms. There's 13 forms available in my account. So now I want to generate the pop-up trigger code for one of these forms. So let me go ahead and add my prompt right here. That's what I want, generate a pop-up trigger code. Now I'm going to tell it for a specific form. So I want to generate for the expense reimbursement form. So let me go ahead and type that in. Here we go, sending this off right now, and I'm asking it specifically for the pop-up trigger code for that specific form. So right inside of Claude AI, I'm going to get the code right now. So let's give this a few seconds. Here we go. We just got the pop-up trigger code for our specific form that we asked for. We got the HTML button, we got the link trigger, and the JS trigger. So there's 3 available types of scripts that we can embed on our website. Now there's more details down here in case you want to check these out, but let's go ahead and copy this HTML button. So let's go ahead and copy this and jump into our website. Now be aware that I'm going to use WordPress for the embedding, but you can use any website that allows you to add a script to, okay? So in this case, let's go ahead and create a brand new page. And in this case, I'm going to create a brand new blank page just for testing purposes. So I am going to name this Popup. Here we go. And in the blocks, I'm going to add an HTML block. Here we go. Let's paste our code inside of here. Let's go ahead and publish this right now. Let's go ahead and view our page. Here we go. We got our button right here, which is going to pop up a form. Let's go ahead and click on it. And here we go. We got the pop-up trigger form right now with the code that we just got from Claude AI. So it's really easy and practical to grab the codes right inside of here of Claude AI. And remember, you got more available options by using the link trigger. So instead of being a button, it's going to be a simple link. And if you want to use the JS trigger, that's also available. Now be aware that with Claude AI, we can make modifications to the code by asking it right here. So for example, if I want to change the pop-up button name, I can do so right here, or I can do it manually with the HTML code that I received. But it's super easy and practical to generate your pop-up trigger code right here in Claude instantly. So I hope you take advantage of this method to create your pop-up trigger codes right inside of Claude. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available options to create your code inside of Claude and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.